What did a teacher do that made you automatically gain respect for them? When I was in the first grade, my mother gave me one of many really awful haircuts. The first day back at school after the haircut, I was picked on terribly by the other kids. It was so bad that I ran out and hid. The principal found me and we returned to the classroom together. He then asked me to wait outside for a moment while he spoke to the class. After that, he walked me to his office and bought me a Coke. The next day, first thing in the morning, we had an assembly with the entire school, and he walked up on stage with his head shaved completely bald and talked about bullying and the like. Some 20 years down the road, he had retired, and I ran into him at the local college. I shook his hand and said, "You probably don't remember me, but yes I do." He interrupted and said my name and the event. The man was and is a hero in my eyes.